Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to take good photos for Etsy with iPhone. So basically what you're going to do first, you're going to just go ahead to your browser and start looking for the topic, right? And then it says right here, we recommend turning off your flash when photographing Etsy products. Whenever possible, find another light source, whether that's natural sunlight or studio light, to avoid unseemly white spots or reflections that might ruin an otherwise perfect shot. So basically just go ahead right here to get to know how you can in this article, how you can get the best the best deal or the best quality of photos that you want to take for your own for your own Etsy product, right? And here it says how I take high quality photos on Etsy using a natural sunlight assist with a soft lighting lighting that can improve how your item looks. Try capturing images outside or by an open window, and then starting with the good lighting means that you won't need to use flash on your camera. Camera flashes create harsh lighting with the dark shadows and unnatural appearance. So basically right here, if you want to get to know more, just go ahead and how I take high quality photos with my iPhone. Go to settings, camera, formats, and then photo mode, and then choose 12 megabyte to or 24 megabytes, right? Basically that's like the formation of the high quality photos, right? So basically that's it, right? You will get to know more about how you can take high quality photos by clicking this article. And it seems that it's taken a while till I opened that article, but basically you understood what it needs to be done, right? You will need to take high quality photos for your iPhone, for your Etsy products, for actually making your flashlight toggled off. So basically, you won't get any harsh light on your products. It might cause some reflections. It might ruin the perfect shot for your product. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.